Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we're gonna show you our new DeepSeek AI integration on Rapidbot. So this integration is live on Rapidbot. You can connect with your DeepSeek account to Rapidbot. So if you logged into your Rapidbot workspace, go to integrations. Under integration, you will find artificial intelligence. There you can find our new DeepSeek integration. Here you need to provide your API key. If you don't have an account, you can click here for sign up. Then here you can go to the API platform. The time I'm recording this video, there are a lot of usages going on with DeepSeek, and there will be some downtime in registering with DeepSeek. If you already have an account, you just feel free to go to the API platform. If you are already logged in, you can go to API keys. From here you can create your own API key, then head back to your Rapidbot workspace and paste your API key here. Click on save. If everything went well or good, you will get the verified sign. That means integration has been done successfully. Now let me show you how you can use this integration inside your chatbot workflow. So I have already done a workflow setup here, not gonna build it, but let me show you where you can find the DeepSeek integration. So inside the action block, you can go to integrations. Now you will find DeepSeek here. You can click on DeepSeek, then click on edit action. You can find all the actions currently supported in this integration. If you click on list model, that means you can see what all models are currently available. DeepSeek Chat, DeepSeek Reasoner, these are the two models currently that available. I have already made a workflow here. Let me show you how this works. So first question, we are collecting the input from the user. Then I have added a typing delay. Then next thing is our integration block. So here I created a basic prompt, and here I mapped our system variable. So if you have a specific variable where you are collecting the input, you can save into a specific variable input and you can use that variable here. But in our case, I'm using our system variable. Whatever the user typed previously, it will be stored in this last test input. So let's check it out. Let's type. If I give a prompt here, how are you, and here you can see I have turned on the history. So that means it's remember the previous conversation. You can do it according to your preference, and model it will be DeepSeek Chat by default. You can leave as it is. Token is 200 by default, that you can adjust your token, how many token you want, that you can make your own changes here. Now let's click on test request. If in any case you are getting an error like insufficient quota or insufficient credits or fund, that means your DeepSeek account, you can go to your usage. If there is no credit balance here, that means this API will not work. So you need to top up. You need to have some minimum balance. I think $2 something you can put into as a minimum balance. So make sure you have some balance here, then only the integration will function for you. So here you can see you got a response. I'm doing great, thanks for asking, just here ready to sprinkle. Like, so the way the guideline what we given, based on that it is making the responses. So what you can do is you can map this particular JSON path. You can see choice dot message dot content. Then here you can create your own variable, or you can map into an existing variable that you have created. For example, so response from AI. So you can map like this. You can create your variable, select it, or you can map into any existing variable that you have. So here we can select it. Then you can click on add button. It will add this response. Whenever a response is created, it will be mapped into this field, and you can click on save. Then inside another question block, I am just mapping that variable so that we can see the output from the AI. Then whatever I'm gonna type, I have looped it back to the delay again. It's going on a loop. So let's publish this and let's do a preview how it will look like. So I'm just previewing it in our pop-up view. Let's see. Hi there. Just start with a basic prompt. It didn't even take much time. You can see how fast the response. I mean, I put a delay here, 1 second, and there is a slight delay in the integration also, but it is not that big. So let's ask who are you. MSI, a friendly conversationalist with like it's creating responses based on how the prompts were given. It is quite interesting and how efficient the responses and replies are coming. So you can also test it out, and you can also bring this AI into your own business workflows and FAQs or whatever conversations that you want to taken care of handle. This will be a good add-on to this platform and for your business use case. In coming up video, we will do a basic comparison between other AIs that we have. Mostly we will compare with OpenAI GPT models, how fast or how reliable this AI will be. So you can stay tuned to that video as well, and I hope this will be a useful feature for you guys. And any questions or any issues anywhere you get stuck, feel free to reach out to our support or comment below this video. We will try our best to help you out. Thank you.